You are like Diane right on the curb. Come out a little bit. If she gets, come out a bit. If she gets a fright, she's gonna, if she ducks away, she'll end up falling over the curb. That's right, that's fine. I'll just give her a bit of somewhere to move. Don't fucking toot, you idiot! Because he won't go over the little black ring things, will he? You're doing really good, right up until the bit where you beat her on and thanked me. Admittedly, it was only deep, but still shouldn't have done it.
No, I have to stop.
It's you blank. Alex, get up. Get up. Get up. Excuse me. You done really brilliantly with your horses, staying well behind, but never toot your horn, even a gentle one when you go past horse. Well, when did you toot for it? Yeah, don't ever near a horse. You frighten them. But everything else was brilliant. It doesn't matter, you shouldn't toot anything to frighten a horse. Piece of paper, a bit of wind. And if your dad's got horses, like you said, you should know that. The rest was brilliant, but please never toot your horn near a horse.
Well, you should be road with the end. I made the way.
Here's road.
Walking horse, you shouldn't be walking side by side.
Do you want to phone your police now?
No.
Do you want the police? Me to phone the police now?
You're the one quick enough to come here and give me action.
No, I'm thanking you and I'm asking you, but not to toot your horn.
At the end of the day, you should be walking horses side by side. You should be one in front of the other.
Have you ever seen police horses? Why do you think they walk side by side?
You're not police, you just...
You don't have to be police, read the... You don't have to be police, read the highway code. You can walk side by side.
It's the same as cyclists.
Cyclists can go side by side, they can't ride in a group.
They're not allowed to.
Read the highway code, love, because you've lost all arguments now. Read the highway code, love, because you've lost all arguments now. Well, you ask your auntie, because you haven't got a bloody clue.
Neither of you.
What a dick. Go to the bank, I'm going to be a prick.